In this video, we will show you how to prepare your E3 for installation. This includes unpacking the machine and accessories and position the machine on a suitable surface. Place the transport carton on a surface that can support the weight. The arrows of the transport position label must point upwards. You need a free space of at least 19 by 22 by 26 inches, or 47 by 55 by 67 centimeters at the front of the carton. Cut the carton seal and open the carton. In front of the machine, you will find a quick reference guide on unpacking and positioning the machine. Use it complementary to this video. Notice: housing damage when pulling on the housing. The machine stands on a separate floor insert. Support the carton with one hand. Grasp the floor insert by the handle and pull the machine out of the carton. Open the blue transport protection cover at the front of the machine. Pull the transport protection cover backwards over the machine and press it down on all sides until the top of the lower padding is exposed. Remove the important machine safety information from the upper padding. Read them after unpacking. Remove the accessory pad from the machine. Remove the upper padding from the machine. Open the working chamber door and remove the support pad under the working chamber door. Reach into the left and right recessed grips in the lower padding. Slide your hands under the machine so that you can securely grasp the recessed grips on the underside of the machine. Lift the machine out of the lower padding. Place it on a surface that can support the machine weight. Notice: ensure that the following safety distances are always maintained. Pull the housing protection cover upwards from the machine. Remove the transport lock from the working chamber. First, pull the vertically positioned parts out of the working chamber. Then, remove the rear part of the transport lock from the blank holder and pull it out of the working chamber. Close the working chamber door. Commissioning is only possible with the working chamber door closed. Note that the working chamber door is now locked. You cannot open it again until after installation. If required, you can open the door with the emergency release mechanism. Keep all parts of the transport lock in the packing set for possible service returns. Continue with installing and commissioning the machine. For the complete operating instructions, visit dentalportal.info/E3. We hope that this was helpful. Thank you for watching.